Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. I'm Susan Vincentz. I'm a tech coach here in the Louisville, Kentucky area, and I'm excited to bring you tutorial videos for educational technology, church tech, and all kinds of things that will make your life more efficient, more productive as we move forward. So in today's video, we're going to talk about 6 keyboard shortcuts that will hopefully make your life a little easier as you use Gmail. So 6 keyboard shortcuts to make your life more efficient in Gmail. So stay tuned and meet me over in my Gmail box. So here we are in our Gmail box, and we want to talk about these 6 keyboard shortcuts to make your life a little bit more efficient as you're navigating your mailbox as it grows and grows and grows. So the first thing you want to do though before you start using these keyboard shortcuts is to enable them. So we're going to go up to our settings. So come up to the right hand side to your settings gear, and you're going to click on See All Settings. And under just our general settings tab right here, you're going to scroll down, just keep scrolling underneath the star option, and you're going to see keyboard shortcuts, and make sure that is turned on. Many times it will be turned off by default, so you will want to come on this settings gear, turn those keyboard shortcuts on, and then always come down and save the changes. Mine are already turned on, so we don't need to save that at this point. So we're going to come back to my inbox, and we're going to start looking at this message. So I'm going to click on or select or highlight this message, and I have a reading pane set up. Some of you may just have to double click and open the message. So here I have my message selected, and I want to forward it. So I'm going to simply just press the letter F on my keyboard, and it's going to give me a forwarding box. So now I can go ahead and start typing in who I want to forward this to and type my message. So I just simply clicked on the letter F after I had selected my message on my keyboard, and it gave me a forwarding option. Now in turn, if I just want to reply to just the one person who sent me this message, I can simply type the letter R on my keyboard. After I have selected the message, I'm going to type the letter R, and it gives me a quick reply screen on my monitor. This is my reply. So now I can reply right back to that original person who sent me that message. Now, there are some times when you get messages when they go to a whole group of people, like when I send a message to my whole group of elementary school teachers. And maybe one of them needs to reply to all in order to give an answer to the entire group. Now, always be careful with reply all and watch who it's going to and if it's necessary to reply all. But in the event that it is necessary, all you have to do is select that message. You have it reading over here in your reading pane. I'm simply going to type the letter A on my keyboard, and that was the letter A to reply to all. And then I will be able to type my message, and it will go to all of the people that I emailed in this message, or that had emailed from the original. So A to reply all. So now let's say I have this message and I want to refer to it again later. I want to remember, yes, I've read it already, but I want to remember that I need to do something with it tomorrow. Now, different people have different ways of doing this, but if I just want to mark this as unread, I can right click on it, go through my settings and mark it as unread to make it bold again. But here on the keyboard shortcut, if I just simply hold down the shift button and the letter U for unread, it will turn it bold again and bring it to my attention that the next time I open my inbox later on in the day or the next day, it's just simply going to mark that unread for me. And then notice it unselected it. So now when I select this, I can come back over here, and now it'll unbold it because I've read it. Now let's say I just want to clear my message reading pane. I don't want to have any messages up. I want to get ready to go back to my regular inbox view. I'm just going to simply type the letter U. So now nothing is selected. That is unselected. I don't see any messages over here. So I simply type the letter U on my keyboard to make that happen. So now our last and final keyboard shortcut is I want to come over and compose. Now I can take my mouse and I can navigate over here to the compose button, or if I simply type the letter C on my keyboard, it's going to give me a composing box and allow me to type in the person's name here that I want to send this email to, and then I can type the message right here. So, and then I can send it. So I simply just typed the letter C on my keyboard and it gave me a composition area. So those are 6 of my newest favorite keyboard shortcuts for Gmail. Now there's so many more out there. Go to Google and search for keyboard shortcuts for Gmail and you will find a lot more. But those are my 6 newest favorites. So enjoy, and I hope they will make your life a little more efficient as you go through and navigate your Gmail. So happy emailing. Well, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you learned something you can find useful in our Gmail discussion today with our keyboard shortcuts. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons below so you're able to find more of my videos for your technology needs. And I do hope you have a great day. Be blessed, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.